What's going on, guys? My name is Pedrotsky, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install plugins on your Sven Co-Op dedicated server. Now, first thing you need to do is obviously get the plugins that you want. So you probably already know what you want, but for this one I'm going to leave a link in the description to this dude called Root Guy. And if you scroll down, you're going to see like a bunch of server plugins. Now, if you followed my guide about Sven Co-Op, well, basically from default, you can install plugins onto the server. You just need to add it to the plugins config. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the plugin we're going to install is called Chat Colors. So if we go to Chat Colors, and then we'll see here we need to .as file. So we're going to click on Code. I'm going to click Download Zip. And then you need to use like WinRAR or 7-zip to unzip the file. Then, so I've already done that. So I've just got this chat color master, and then we see here we've got the .as file. And then we need to go to Pterodactyl or whatever file manager you're using for Sven Co-Op. It's all the same. We need to go to the root directory. So in my case, it's just /Sven Co-Op. And you'll know you're in the right file when it's got the maps directory and you've got your like server.cfg in here. So yeah, I've got server.cfg. So we're in the root directory. We need to find the folder that's called scripts. So we click on scripts and then we click on plugins. Then we see here we've got some more AS files in here. And then we got, well, all we need to do, like you need to just copy the file in here. So we got the chat colors there. Now we're not done yet. We still need to add the config. So to do this, we go back to just the root directory, so Sven Co-Op. Then we need to scroll down to a file. I'm pretty sure it's called default plugins. Yep, right here. And then you'll see a bunch of like commented out lines here. And then you'll probably see like it'll probably just be this section here as standard, but we just got to add a new section. So if we go back to the root guy's repo, it says here add this to the top of default plugins text. So we're just going to copy this. I'm going to go back to Sven Co-Op, the config. It says add at the top. It shouldn't really matter where it goes, but just try and make the file nice and clean. There we go. We're going to paste it in. And then we just click Save Content. Now, once we do that, we just need to reload the plugins. So just type in AS_reload plugins. And then as you can see, a little blip in CPU means it's reloading the plugins. And then we can check that it's actually running. So I'm just going to connect to my game server now. So connect. Don't worry about memorizing these commands, guys, because I'll leave a link in the description for you. So I'm going to go list plugins. So you can either reload or just restart your server and the plugin should be running. So, but because I'm connecting, let's just give this a minute. Okay, so bring out the console and then just paste in here AS_list plugins. Then we can see all the plugins that are running. So we've got player management, anti-block, anti-stall, and the chat colors that we've just installed. So it's that simple, guys. Now the plugin's running on our server. We do whatever we need to do with that plugin. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward to install plugins on Sven Co-Op. And it's also even easier if you're using Pterodactyl. So if you're not using Pterodactyl, I've got a link. You can install it on your server. I've got a video actually. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes to install on your game server. It just makes managing all your games so much easier. So that's it for today, guys. Just a super quick video on how to install plugins on Sven Co-Op. If you get stuck, leave a comment below or come and join us on Discord. I'll leave a link below in the description for that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.